How to convert an integer to a string in any base? Python allows easy creation of an integer from a string of a given base file. I want to perform the inverse, creation of a string from an integer, i.e. I want some function int2 base num, base, such that the function name/argument order is unimportant. For any number x and base b that int will accept. This is an easy function to write. In fact, it's easier than describing it in this question. However, I feel like I must be missing something. I know about the functions bin, October, hex, but I cannot use them for a few reasons. Those functions are not available on older versions of Python, with which I need compatibility with 2.2. I want a general solution that can be called the same way for different bases. I want to allow bases other than 2, 8, 16. Related. Python elegant inverse function of int string base, integer to base x system using recursion in Python, base 62 conversion in Python, how to convert an integer to the shortest URL safe string in Python.
If you need compatibility with ancient versions of Python, you can either use compy, which does include a fast, completely general int to string conversion function, and can be built for such ancient versions. You may need to try older releases since the recent ones have not been tested for venerable Python and GMP releases, only somewhat recent ones, or, for less speed but more convenience, use Python code, for example, for Python 2, most simply. For Python 3, int x, base, leads to incorrect results, and must be changed to x//base.
Surprisingly, people were giving only solutions that convert to small bases, smaller than the length of the English alphabet. There was no attempt to give a solution which converts to any arbitrary base from 2 to infinity. So here is a super simple solution. So if you need to convert some super huge number to the base 577, at some point of time you will notice that sometimes there is no built-in library function to do things that you want, so you need to write your own. If you disagree, post your own solution with a built-in function which can convert a base 10 number to base 577. This is due to lack of understanding what a number in some base means. I encourage you to think for a little bit why base in your method works only for n in lt equals 36. Once you are done, it will be obvious why my function returns a list and has the signature it has.
Ref. This URL. Please be aware that this may lead to for very big integers.
If you want to see more Please consider subscribing.